Look at this chart of cryptocurrency. If you would have invested $10 in it, it would have turned into $4,592 in matter of months. Look at this second asset. If you would have invested $10 in it, it would have turned into $27,938. Imagine if you would have invested $200 or even $500. This is the power of investing in cryptocurrencies. If you use the internet, you might have came across words like Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, or even digital currency. What are these words? Why people from all over the world are talking about it? Why millionaire and billionaire investors are so excited about these assets? Why billions of dollars are being invested in these things? And how are these assets going to change the world forever? And how these assets can help you convert your small investments into millions of dollars. They all are able to get such insane gains because of one single factor. I call this the early movers advantage. Just wait and I will explain this to you. If I take you 15 years back in the past, when social media was just introduced into the market, Facebook or Twitter were just launched, and in the beginning it was quite difficult for people to understand and use it. It was difficult because people didn't know how to use it. It was not difficult to use. Just the thing was, it was new and different. But once they understood how to use it, it was just a cakewalk for people. Once people started using it and saw other people using it too, they got on board and started using social media. Then the mass adoption took place. It was impossible for the people to avoid it as their friends, family, colleagues were on Facebook. People in the beginning who saw this, they were able to identify the future potential of social media before the mass adoption. And at that time, people who understood the potential of these companies invested small amount in it, and they were able to multiply their investment multiple times and are able to harvest their gains till today. Their small investments of few $100 turned into millions of dollars. This is what I called early movers advantage. People who are able to align their money in assets and companies before the mass adoption takes place are able to get life-altering fortune and make maximum benefits from it. Cryptocurrency is a relatively new and complex topic, but it is complex until you are able to understand it. Cryptocurrency is still in an early stage, and the masses haven't understood it properly. Once the masses start to understand it, they will be able to start experiencing the benefits which these cryptos can do for the world. And if you are able to identify the right cryptos to invest in, then your few $100 can turn into thousands and even millions of dollars just before the mass adoption happens. I know many people have missed the opportunity of investing in stocks of Facebook, Apple, Netflix, and even Amazon. But opportunity are not over. Just the thing is, you have to identify the opportunity and take action before the masses does. Every year, millions of people are joining crypto revolution, and every day thousands of businesses are starting to accept cryptos. Crypto is the future, and welcome to Crypto Investing Masterclass. This class is designed in such a way that anyone who knows about using internet will be able to get started with crypto. But this class is not just a basics class. There is a reason why I named this class as Crypto Investing Masterclass, not Crypto Investing for Beginners. Because the knowledge and strategies which are taught in this class will not only help you get started with crypto, but it will also help you to understand this booming market like a pro, and will also help you to align your money to get the maximum benefits from this crypto revolution. All you have to do is understand this market and invest in the right asset. And that's it. You don't have to work to make money. Your money will work for you. And this is the last and the best chance ever which you will get for getting started with crypto. In this class, you will learn what is Bitcoin and how does it work, why is this the right time to invest in cryptos, interesting phenomena of Bitcoin which will take the price of Bitcoin to the new highs, what are cryptocurrencies and altcoins, the ultimate blueprint for choosing the world's best cryptocurrencies to invest in. This class also covers how to buy and sell Bitcoin with your currencies, how to deposit and withdraw Bitcoin and cryptos from crypto exchanges, top 5 best and safe crypto exchanges, the right place to store your cryptocurrencies, how to secure your wallet, and that's not it. People who will join this class right now will get a very special bonus, that too for a very limited time. I am going to give away my top 4 picks of cryptocurrencies. These are not just top 4 cryptocurrencies which I am going to reveal, but these are undervalued cryptos which are right now dwelling for pennies, and they have the potential of multiplying your investment 10x or even 100x in the coming months. This is only for the early birds who are going to join this class. If you join right now and take action, then you will be able to take the early movers advantage. So make sure you make your move before the market does. You have 2 choices. You can be the witness of riches and fortunes made by crypto, or you can be a part of this. Choice is yours. So without wasting any time, let's get started.